5 best used adventure motorcycles under $9,000. What's up, adventurers? Welcome back to Throttle Planet. Today we're talking about real adventure motorcycles that real people can actually afford. Forget those $20,000 flagship bikes. I'm breaking down the 5 best used adventure motorcycles under $9,000. These are 500 cubic centimeters or bigger, proven machines from asphalt to gravel, daily commute to cross-continent journey. The best part? These bikes have already depreciated. You get an adventure-ready machine at a fraction of the cost. Let's dive in. The V-Strom. Don't let the nickname fool you. This bike is a legend. Key specs: 645 cubic centimeters, V-twin, 70 horsepower, 470 pounds wet, seat height 32.7 inches, very manageable. 5.3 gallon tank, huge range. Price range $2017 to $2,025,500 to $7,500. 2020 to 2022, $7,000 to $8,500. Why it's great? That V-twin is the same legendary SV650 engine. Torquey, reliable, bulletproof. People have ridden V-Stroms around the world multiple times. Low seat height means shorter riders can touch the ground. The range is incredible. 5.3 gallons plus 50 to 60 miles per gallon equals forever between fuel stops. Watch out for often high mileage because people love riding them. Don't fear 30,000 plus miles if maintained. Check service history carefully. Look for the XT model. You get wire-spoked wheels, handguards, and engine protection standard. Best for first-time adventure riders, budget-conscious tourers, anyone who values reliability over flashy features. The V-Strom won't win style contests, but it'll get you there and back with zero drama. Yes, you can find these under $9,000 now. 853 cubic centimeters, parallel twin, 95 horsepower, 504 pounds wet, seat height 34.3 inches, adjustable lower. Multiple ride modes, ABS, traction control. Price range 2018 to 2019, $7,500 to $8,900. 2020 to 2021, $8,500 to $10,500. Hunt for deals. Why it's great? This is a real BMW GS for less than half the price of new. That parallel twin has a 270-degree firing order, mimicking a V-twin feel. Smooth, torquey, economical. Rain mode, road mode, optional enduro mode. Cornering ABS that works. TFT display with connectivity. This is a modern bike with tech that matters. Watch out for. Service history is crucial. Should be serviced every 6,000 miles. Check spoked wheels carefully. Test all electronics. Quick shifter and heated grips can have issues. Best for riders who want modern features, serious off-road capability, and premium build quality. The F850 GS proves you don't need an R1250 GS to have the GS experience. The bike everyone's talking about. Key specs: 689 cubic centimeters, CP2 engine, 73 horsepower, just 452 pounds wet, insanely light, seat height 34.8 inches, Rally-bred chassis, long travel suspension, price range $2,020 to $2,022, $8,500 to $10,500. Clean examples occasionally pop up around $8,000 to $8,500 with higher miles. Why it's great? 452 pounds wet for an adventure bike is insane. Lightweight plus long travel suspension plus that punchy CP2 engine equals pure off-road capability. Inspired by Yamaha's Dakar rally bikes, 8.3 inches front travel, 7.9 rear, proper 2118 wheel combo, no TFT, no ride modes, no traction control on early models. Just you and the bike. Honest motorcycling. Watch out for often ridden hard. Check for crash damage. The stock windscreen is terrible for tall riders. The seat is firm. Many replace it. Best for riders who prioritize off-road capability, adventure purists who don't want tons of electronics, anyone who values lightweight and simplicity. The Ténéré 700 is the most raw, engaging, capable motorcycle on this list. Where things get serious. Key specs: 889 cubic centimeters LC8C engine, 105 horsepower, 465 pounds wet, R model, 452 pounds. Seat height, 32.7 inches standard, 34.6 R model, full electronics package. Price range, 2021 to 2022. Adventure, $8,000 to $10,500. 2021 to 2022 Adventure R, $8,500 to $11,000. Why it's great. The most capable adventure bike on this list, period. 105 horsepower in a 465-pound package is absurd. The LC8C engine is legendary. It revs, it pulls, it sounds incredible. If you can find an 890 Adventure R in budget, grab it. WPXP LOR suspension, rally mode, quick shifter, cruise control on some. Multiple ride modes, cornering ABS with off-road mode, tunable traction control, TFT display with navigation. Watch out for service history non-negotiable. Every 9,000 miles, valve checks at 18,000. KTM parts cost more. Check forums for known issues. Look for crash damage carefully. Best for experienced riders who want maximum performance, serious off-road or rally-style adventures. Riders comfortable with higher maintenance costs. The 890 Adventure is for people who want to attack the adventure, not just tour through it. The bike that perfectly balances everything. Key specs: 895 cubic centimeters parallel twin, 105 horsepower, 487 pounds wet. Seat height, 32.7 to 34.3 inches, adjustable. Premium components throughout. Price range, 2020 to 2021. $8,500 to $10,000. Hunt for deals around. $8,000 to $8,500. 2022 to 2023, $9,500 to $12,000. Why it's number one. BMW took the F850 GS, gave it more power, made it lighter, improved off-road capability. The result? A bike genuinely excellent at everything. 105 horsepower like the KTM, but delivered more refined and linear. Lightweight steel trellis frame, premium suspension, 2118 wheel combo, standard Akrapovic exhaust, rain, road, dynamic, Enduro Pro modes. Cornering ABS you can customize. Dynamic traction control, quick shifter, cruise control, TFT navigation, LED lights everywhere. The F900 GS can do 90% of what an R1250 GS can do for 60% of the price on the used market. Watch out for service every 6,000 miles, valve checks at 12,000. Check for software updates. Look at crash bars and bash plate conditions. Best for anyone serious about adventure riding. Riders who want one bike that does everything at a high level. People who value build quality, features, and performance equally. The F900 GS is the best all-around adventure motorcycle under $10,000. If you can only afford one bike and want to explore the world, commute daily, and have fun on weekends, this is it. Final advice: don't be penny wise and pound foolish. If you can stretch to $9,500 for a clean, well-maintained bike, do it. That extra $500 to $1,000 can mean the difference between a bike that needs work and one that's ready to go. Always get a pre-purchase inspection. Adventure bikes get ridden hard. My personal pick, the BMW F900 GS, does everything I need at the highest level. Pure off-road, KTM 890 Adventure R, budget-conscious, V-Strom 650 all day. What about you? Which one would you buy? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more real motorcycle content. Now get out there and start planning your next adventure. Ride safe, explore often, and I'll see you in the next one.